How to view insight on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Instagram and make sure that you have a latest version of Instagram. So if you're on the home screen, just go to your profile icon at the right bottom of your screen. Just hit your profile option and then click on the three lines at the very top if you want to see your insights. You can see your insights option just below your archive. So if you are not able to see it here, just go to your settings. It usually happens if you have a personal account, you are not able to see insight option. For seeing insight, you have to switch to your professional or creator account. So for this, you have to go to your preferences, just scroll down until you find here the switch account type. So I already have professional account, so if you don't have, just switch your account to professional account and then you can easily insight option in your Instagram. Just get out of here, go to your profile icon again and then hit the three lines again and then you can easily see insight. Just go to your insight. Now you can see your account reach, account engaged, your total followers, all the things here, your content you shared on Instagram, whatever you want. Here is the insight. If you want to visit your insight, you have to switch your account from personal to professional. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye and thanks for watching.